Today we are going to focus on the American preposition by. So by in English as used in the United States. So by or by can be used in a number of ways, as can most prepositions. Here are some phrases where by is used to indicate agency or means. By chance, by accident, by mistake, by design, by hand, by mail, by phone, by car, train, bus, plane, by foot, by force. Then it can be used to indicate time or deadlines, by the time, by day or by night, by the end of, by now, by tomorrow, by next week. Then we can use by to indicate proximity or location, by my side, by the door, by the window, by the lake, by the sea, by the roadside. So you'll notice if you listen to the video on at can also be used for location. And so you just have to kind of remember which ones are used when. Moving on, by when it's used to indicate measurement or method, by the dozen, by the hour, by the pound or by the kilogram, by percentage, by comparison, by heart. And then there's some miscellaneous expressions such as by yourself, by the way, by far, by all means, by no means, by and large, by default, by law, by the book, by popular demand, by trial and error, by virtue of. So now we're going to do some sentences that use by, and please repeat them after me, and you can practice your prosody or the way you say it at the same time. And these examples use by to indicate agency or means. The report was prepared by the marketing team. This painting was created by a famous artist. Please send the document by email as soon as possible. The meeting room was cleaned by the janitor. The task was completed using specialized software. I'll contact you by phone to confirm the details. The package was delivered by courier this morning. The system was upgraded by the IT department last week. You can pay by credit card or cash. The problem was resolved by applying a simple workaround. Okay, now here are some examples of using by to indicate time or deadlines. Please submit the application by next Friday. We need to finish the presentation by the end of the day. The report must be completed by 5 p.m. Can you review this document by tomorrow morning? The project is due by the end of the month. Make sure you arrive by the scheduled start time. We hope to finalize the contract by the end of the year. She promised to reply by this afternoon. All invoices need to be processed by Thursday. The task will be completed by next week. Okay, here are some examples of by being used to indicate location. Let's sit by the window to enjoy the view. There's a small cafe by the office where we can grab lunch. I'll leave the documents by the printer for you to pick up. There's a parking spot by the entrance you can use. The new office building is located by the river. You'll find the file by my desk. Let's meet by the fountain in the plaza at noon. He prefers working by himself in the corner cubicle. I saw her waiting by the elevator this morning. We'll place the new equipment by the storage room. All right, that's all I have for the preposition by. I hope this helps. And if you liked it, please subscribe. Thanks.